In Adobe Express, you can now create your own public templates and even assign them as assignments to your students. Let's say I'm working on this project here, and this is a project that I started completely from scratch in Adobe Express. I just got a blank page, and then I started adding text and images. I did that by using this panel here, just clicking on text, choosing text and adding the text and then typing in the words. And then I also went to media and searched for some of these animal images. I could have also uploaded from my computer if I wanted to. So I've arranged this and I want to share this with my students, but I don't want it to just be an image that they look at. I want this to be a template for them so that they will receive this, be able to open it in Adobe Express, and then work with it. I want them to be able to click and drag and move the different animals into the correct categories and do the best they can with it. And then they're going to do even more with this. So I'm trying to make this more than just an image. I want it to be a learning activity. I've gotten them started, but I want them to finish. And this is just one example of many, many that you could create. You could set them up for your students. Let's say you want them to create a trifold brochure. You could set up a template for that and then have the students put in the content if you want. Okay, so let's say I'm all done and I want to share this as a public template. I can click here on Share and make a template. There's some options here. I'm going to say create a public template link, copy link, and now anyone that receives this link and clicks on it will be given a copy of what I have here. They won't be able to change my image, my document that I've been working on, but they will get their own copy of it that they can then work with, and then when they're done, they'll be able to share it back to me. Now notice, in addition to just creating a public link, a public template, I can assign it to one of my classes. So if I click there, I can give it a name, put in some instructions and a due date, and then I can choose one of my classes. And then I'll just click Assign. So now this public template that I created is also specifically assigned to one of my classes, and all of the students in that class will see it as something that they need to do. As they work on the assignment, I will see their updates so I can see their progress toward completing this assignment.